Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. In this lecture, we'll discuss a past perfect continuous tense. A past perfect continuous tense is a verb tense that usually includes an action that started in the past, continued up until another time in the past. For example, it had been raining, Sarah had been doing her work, or I had been playing for 3 hours. In this example, we can say that I had been playing for 3 hours. This means that I started playing in the past, continued the action which is playing in the past, and the action of playing completed in the past. The structure which we use for a present perfect continuous tense includes subject, had been, plus verb, plus ing, plus since or for, plus an object. With subjects like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, singulars or plurals, we use had been followed by first form of verb and an ing, like doing, working, playing, etc. Unlike a present perfect continuous tense, which indicates that an action that began in the past and continued up to the present, the past perfect continuous tense is a verb tense that indicates something that began in the past, continued in the past, and also ended at a defined point in the past. For example, he had been drinking milk out of the carton when mom walked into the kitchen. This shows that the person has been drinking milk in the past for a defined period. Similarly, I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got promotion. This shows that the action of working in the company was continued for a defined period in the past and also ended in the past. A past perfect continuous tense can also be used to talk about something that had been happening for a period of time before something else happened. For example, we had been playing tennis for half an hour when it started to rain. The action of playing tennis was continued before another action, that is, raining, started. Similarly, George went to the doctor last Friday. He had not been feeling well for some time. George went to the doctor because he wasn't feeling well for some time. This shows that an action was already continued before another action started. Let us have a comparison of a past perfect continuous tense and a past continuous tense. As we know that both past continuous and past perfect continuous tense can be used to talk about actions or situations that were in progress at a certain point in the time in the past. While a past continuous tense merely shows continuity, the past perfect continuous tense also puts an emphasis on the idea of duration. It's mainly used to indicate the duration of past activity or a state. For example, I had been waiting for 20 minutes, or James had been running since 9 o'clock. In both these examples, with the use of a past perfect continuous tense, we have emphasized to indicate the duration of a past activity. Another difference can be that a past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about longer actions or situations which had continued up to the past moment. For example, at the time I had been studying in London for 3 years, or when I found Susie, I could see that she had been crying. A past perfect continuous tense cannot be used for various verbs as know and like. For example, we were good friends. We had known each other for years, but we cannot say that we had been knowing each other. Similarly, she liked it away the noises of the city, not she had been liking. We cannot use a present perfect continuous tense for verbs like know and like. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.